Okay, so I think we're about ready to test fire this 6-liter V8 here. We've got the remote oil filter on it, poked on right there with a wood bracket. We've got the MSD hooked up over there. We've got a battery sitting here with the positive and negative terminals hooked up to it. The negative side of the MSD is hooked up to it. Got a little piggy tail wire to run the solenoid for the starter, and that alligator clip wire is the MSD positive. So what we're going to do is we will crank this for a little bit without the MSD hooked up until we get some oil pressure on the gauge there, and then we'll dump some fuel in the little fuel gadget. Make sure the accelerator pumps work and connect the MSD, and it should fire right up. Okay, we got it cranking to it. We got some oil pressure showing. I'll show you that. Goes up to 50. So we should be good. Set you up here, and hopefully this thing doesn't fall over or anything. Gas in here. There. See if the accelerator pumps work. Oh yeah, it's working. So connect this. This. Sounds pretty normal. We'll probably run out of gas in a few seconds. I don't hear any strange noises. I'm using for oil hose didn't blow off, so that's good. There you go. Out of gas. Well, sounds great. Well, now I guess it's ready to put in the car.